Sure, it's disgusting, but someone has to do it. Removing dog puke on carpet? The how-to's coming right at you.
Want a safe, effective method to remove Fido's dog vomit accident that they had in your wall-to-wall carpet? Stay tuned. The how-to's, the what not to do's are coming right up. We're going to show today how using some of these simple products, some of which you probably already have at home, how you can safely and effectively remove dog vomit from your wall-to-wall carpet. This can be used on area rugs as well, with some tweaking on upholstered fabrics like couches and chairs too. So we'll get at it, coming right up. First, let me explain that this, of course, is not dog vomit. We've opened up a beautiful can of bumblebee corn chowder to give us a demonstration, although this is pretty much what dog vomit looks like, a lot of bile. If it's been sitting for a while, that bile right here would be sinking into the carpet, so the sooner you get it, the better. If it's dog vomit and you're a bit wiggy about it, latex gloves are always recommended. Always start by taking the chunky bits out, right here, just like that. Scoop them out. Don't use the good silverware or flatware to do that, though. You might get yourself in some trouble. So what's left is usually a stain. A lot of times, because it's coming from the stomach, it's acidic, and one of the reasons to get at it right away is some acids that come from the body, whether it's from a person or a pet, can actually chemically burn some carpets and some fibers. So you do want to get to it quickly. So you scoop the solid messes up. The next is we're going to use some, because it's a body fluid, we're going to use this detergent. We use this on urine and feces contamination or poop quite often in our business. It works great. Links to everything we're using today are down below from an Amazon affiliate page. So what we've done, we've mixed this in here according to directions. Now, the trick is you want to put enough detergent, this product in the yellow bottle, on that spot to emulsify the bile and what's left of the vomit that you couldn't scoop up, but not so much that it pushes and works its way down beyond the carpet into the pad, and then maybe even to the plywood subfloor. You definitely don't want to do that. So what I would do is I would take a natural sponge or a horsehair brush. In this case, if this was real vomit, I'd be using this because I just don't feel like touching that. And you would pick some of this up in the brush, it holds it pretty well, and you would work it just like that, just in here. If you don't have these products, if you don't want to have the time to go and order them and have them delivered, in place of this, you can use Woolite detergent. Regular Woolite detergent does a great job at removing some body fluids. You might have to work it more than once or twice. The 3% peroxide is for staining and to sanitize, so the carpet is fresh and clean when you're done. You can use this product, Sally's 20 clear volume. It's about 2 to 3 times as strong as the 3%. You do have to order it, or you can go to Sally's Beauty Supply, or you can order from the Amazon down below. But that also helps. But be careful, because the stronger the oxidizer, the faster the chemical reaction, but it also can be a little bit dangerous. And then, of course, the rinse agent, which we always recommend, is this acidic rinse right here from Prochem. A link, again, is down below, and we're going to show you how to professionally extract this with these few things. So you've let the detergent sit. I would let this sit. I always go over it 2 or 3 times, no matter the results I actually see. So I would extract it, then do it again and let it sit. Simply, this is how the extraction is going to work. We're going to use a combination of a shop vac, which is wet capable. Make sure if you have a shop vac, it's wet dry capable. We're going to use that for the extraction of the detergent and the bile. And we're going to use a spray bottle with all fiber rinse in it as the liquid to rinse all of this out. And we're going to follow the spray with the wet vac, the shop vac, like that, to mimic professional extraction. Now, we're not going to use this piece, although you can. We have this here. This is a stainless steel tool we use in the shop all the time. We happen to like it. It fits right in there, and what we're gonna do is start some extraction and see how you folks will think this is easy. You can do it yourself, especially when time is critical and you're in a bind.
If you follow these steps, there should be no reason why you can't have complete success. Notice that you spray first on the carpet with the all-fiber rinse, follow it with a vacuum pass. Overlap the wet and the dry strokes by 50%, so you're being thoroughly extracting all areas. Try not to spread it. Don't pour the rinse agent onto the carpet. That can be dangerous because you can push the waste material, the vomit, and the liquids back into the back of the carpet, into the subfloor, and you'll never get that out. Reapply. By the time you're finished extracting, you should have a clean sanitary carpet. There should be no bile or vomit spill at all. Now what you're going to do is put the oxidizers on. 3% hydrogen peroxide applied with that sponge will work it in. You can use the Sally's 20, which is about 2 to 3 times more aggressive. Not necessary. If you have the 3%, reapply, let it sit, let it dry slowly, and you should be good to go on a sanitary carpet.
We hope you found this helpful. If you liked the video, you think you got something out of it, please, we appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you want to see more like this, hit that little subscribe button, the bell next to it, and you'll be notified next time we upload, and you'll be left with a clean, soft, sanitary carpet if your dog has accidents. There's also how-to links below, which covers many other topics for how you can make your carpet, area rugs, upholstery, all safe and sanitary without spending a lot of money. Thanks again for watching.